Brooklyn is built for the business of managing your, as I say, customer supplier relationships. That's why you'll see that Brooklyn is organized along these basic key activities in an intuitive way. First, we have to create some data. We're going to pull it from somewhere. We're going to create it right here once we're already up and in a flow. Getting on onboarding organizations, contracts, services, workflow. Brooklyn's a great workflow solution for running through the regular activities that these people do, creating risks and actions and such. Once the data's in, we have to get at that information. So we're going to get at the full profile of our orgs, contracts, people, all the documents, etc. And once we've made the info and we can access it, we can do things with it. That's what happens next. So we will have a host of things. All of this configurable. It may look like a lot. That's because I see it as a power user, but let's keep in mind, individual roles only see what they're allowed to see. Certain menus, certain menu items, of course, certain records of data, but not the rest. It's all constrained. But what I'm showing you is opened up so you can just see capability. And you'll expect things like all my data in one place, a relationship timeline synced to my Outlook that just shows what's going on with all the stuff, changing the contract through a contract change notice. These are very common sometimes workflows, sometimes just more basic activities like managing through risks, running surveys. These are big areas of capability in the product that are all intuitively pulled together here. And then once the activities are underway, we want some BI, we want some intelligence about what's happening. So we have that, right? We have a host of this stuff, scorecards, contract financials, the governance, the aspects that need to happen on a regular basis by segment, by tier. The management information, Brooklyn suppliers feed the machine, feed the system with their own KPIs, SLAs, risk controls, per a template. They'll feed it, and this will show up in here, alert you of problems or not submitted, and always tucked into the audit log. Operational overview type insights, risks, etc. We monitor things that are going on in terms of performance, in terms of risks that we need to be aware. And then Brooklyn, above all things, it's a policy engine. Your supply chain management policy is captured and digitized, no longer a PDF in some SharePoint that managers are chasing people around to apply. It's literally digitized so that per segment, you'll have the right governance driving on a cadence, triggered by events that happen, fulfilling a risk model if you're doing frontline risk management, and then capturing a place where you will get into all the prompts that you care to, feeding the large language model that you can use to interrogate contracts, interrogate risks, get suggestions, get insights, get summaries, be alerted as to the gaps, search them super fast in various different flexible ways with the help of AI. So we are really throwing some AI capability into the platform for the benefit of the customers working faster and getting better insights. So you see it's sort of purpose built.